Hello everyone, happy to see you. And today we are going to see how I pressed my flowers and a quick collection of my dried flowers. And let's get in the video. Sky is beautiful today. So I use my garden flowers for pressed flower projects, and me and my mother take care of the garden. I like to go for small and thin teeny mini flowers because I feel that I can use them easily in many projects. So summer arrived at doorstep, and this is the time of year where I get very less flowers, or let's say shortage of flowers for flower pressing. So here are the things which we are going to need. I chose periwinkle to show you. First, I am going to check that there is no fungus or any dirt. If it is, I will gently clean it or change the flower, and then I will take off the stalk. Just remember, we have to take off the stalk and not that part to which all those petals are attached. This is the book I am gonna use. Actually, I'm gonna use two books. They are broad and thick, and this is the main book where I'm going to store the petals. I have already used it for storing my flowers, and this page I will be using for periwinkles. So here I place my flower. I use a scissor to handle it and to cut the stalk. First, I don't like to use my hands because sometimes it gets messy with some specific flowers, so I just try to go with scissors. Now we will gently cut that stalk part like this. Sometimes this thing just give me a feel of surgeon, just saying. And I am going to do the same thing with all the periwinkle flowers. So one day a thought came into my mind that I have a Redbubble store, so can I go for adding some dry flower designs to it? Maybe some customers may interest in that thing, or maybe any artist is doing that thing already. At first it was really difficult to handle each and every flower with that scissors, but now it feels easy, it feels good to handle flowers with scissors. I have also cut many petals like this when I was new to this method, this technique, but now I'm happy with how easily I can handle those scissors. So I arrange them properly in such a manner that they will not get overlapped on each other. There will be good space in between each and every flower, so when they will get dry we can easily remove them, and also they will not get stuck between that book foldings. So we have to take care of that, and then we can close the book and add our giant books on them, and I will keep them like this for 14 days. I don't like to open them in between this period because I know they are not going to catch any fungus just because they are thin and small, so they are not much moisture as you compare it with sunflower or a rose, so there is no need to check them now and then after every 2 or 3 days that is they are in right condition or not. And there is little stuff picking out. Sun is not from the periwinkle one, we have cut them already. This is the one which I have already pressed. Just a quick change, just because I want to show you my collection. And also I will mention it somewhere on the screen what I call them or what I name them. And by the way, I really love how the way sunlight falls on the paper bag and make it look a little bit more good rather than just those white tiles. I will show the result of our periwinkles in upcoming videos, but I think I have shared that thing on my Instagram, but still I will show you in upcoming video. And yes, this all was for today. I tried to explain it in really easy way, I guess, and I hope that this was not that horrible voice overing as I'm doing it for first time. And thanks for watching. Thank you so much. I will see you next video.